Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be learning about adding plugins to our pages. Plugins are how we actually add content to the website and basically make it look pretty. It's how we actually get out the information, any sort of links, any photos you want to add, any files, any folders. You do all that through the plugins, and we're going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. Now, earlier in the training that we had back in May, I kind of went over the template structure that we had, but just for a quick refresher, the templates, and this is actually what you see here, this is actually the content template, but the templates are the backbone structure to all the web pages, and the templates actually hold the plugins where we can add the content. So let's just jump in and let's add, we will add a text plugin. So one thing we need to do is come down to any of these plus buttons here. We're just going to come down to the content area. I'm going to add a text plugin. You can also, at the top here, you can filter it, so just text. And when that opens up, we get to see our what's called a WYSIWYG editor, and it basically works just like a Word document. You have your ribbon up at the top there, styles, fonts, background, foreground, pretty much anything. So we are going to add some text here. This is some text. And if you want to, you can bold it just like you normally would be able to. And we're just going to save. And you can see we have a plugin that's filled in right here in the text. And just to view it, we're going to hit the content button here. And there we go. And that's the text that we immediately just put on the page. Now, once you are actually logged into the intranet, you will notice the little double click to edit will pop up over the place where you have the plugins, and that's just so you can edit right on the page, and you don't actually have to go back to the structure and do all that. Django CMS gives you multiple ways that you can edit pages and add content, so it doesn't matter. Whatever easiest for you and whatever you want to. If you are familiar with HTML, you can also write raw HTML by clicking the source button. Actually clicking the source button. And then there you will see just raw HTML if you want to build an HTML page just from the back. And to go back to where you were, just hit that and save. Okay, now we're back to our page. Now you will notice the little blue button up there. Anytime that we make changes on our pages and we just hit save, only thing that does is that saves the content from being deleted if we change it or want to do something else. But the public will not see anything that we put on our pages until we actually publish. If you remember back to the page edit video, there was the little blue circles, green circles on the overview page. It's all the same system. It's the same system. Just letting you know what content is live, what content needs to be updated, what content needs to be published. All right, so we're just gonna add some more here. All right, and we hit save again, and there we go. Now, if you wanted to add some more content, which most people we'll want to do, because usually one sentence is not going to be enough. We just need to go back to hit structure, and we need to add another plugin. So this time we will just add another text plugin. And then there's the body. So, let's see, this is another text line. And again, we hit source. You get the raw HTML. And since this is a WYSIWYG editor, you have all of the styles that you need to insert text. I can write through text. And just like in just like in Word document, Control-Z will hit you back up, and keyboard shortcuts could work too. So we hit save again. And there's our text. But for now, we're going to delete. And deleting is really easy. The menu here gives you all the options. You can cut, copy. And let's just say if you had, say, several plugins that you're working on, and at the very end you hit save and you look at them again, you didn't like them, but you want to delete them all, you don't have to go through each individual one. You can just empty all, and it will delete every single plugin that you have. And now we're back to our page. So let's add some files and some photos. You need to add any documents, Word documents, PDFs. The file plugin is what you need, and we're just going to you always need a title for your documents. And very similar to the text plugin, we just, actually, no, not at all similar to text plugin. Text plugin, we were writing our own. Whenever we have our plugin ready to go and we need to add a file, we just hit the choose button, or sorry, the choose file button. And unfortunately, the video editing software that I'm using does not seem to play nice with the window that pops up whenever you need to choose file. But trust me, you choose a file, a window pops up so you can upload files that you have on your computer or on the server or any place, network share, any place that you have files or documents that you need to move over. Alternatively, if you had a file just on your desktop, you can just drag the file right to there, and it'll upload for us, no problem. Hit save. And there is the document that we just uploaded. Word documents and text files, whenever a user clicks on them after you've loaded them to the page, will automatically download to the user's browser. PDFs, however, will open up in their own PDF viewer in a new window, and we can show you that real quick here. Just add another file plugin here. We're just going to call this PDF. Again, I do apologize. Do not know why the software isn't recognizing the other window, but trust me, it is working. There you go, there's a PDF. And there we go, and there's our new file. Let's open up. There you see the PDF opened up in its own little viewer. You also have the option of PDFs opening in the new window, but it's not letting me do that. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's not showing that either. Well, you are able to open that in the new window, as I just did. And that pretty much is how we add content. Straightforward, and hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions, of course, you can always call me, Jerry Ricino in IT, or call Dustin Holden, and we'd be happy to help you. All right, thanks, and see you next video.